heard of the importance of creating great content and building backlinks. But did you know that the technical foundation of your website is just as important in driving organic traffic and boosting search engine rankings? From site architecture to page speed, there are a variety of technical elements that can impact your search engine performance. Hello everyone, welcome to another topic of our SEO series. This is Mauri from ASL BPO. In this video, we will dive deeply into some key technical SEO best practice that can help give your website the edge it needs to succeed online. So, let's get started. What is technical SEO? Technical SEO is a process of building and optimizing a website to make it easy for search engines to navigate and understand. Technical SEO is an integral component of overall SEO strategy and is often used by marketers and business owners to enhance the chances of their website ranking high in SERPs. Importance of technical SEO. Even if you have the best and the most captivating content on your website, it will only matter if search engine can access and index it correctly. This is where the technical SEO comes into play. With proper technical optimization, search engines can crawl and index a site, which can greatly hinder its visibility and ranking in SERP. Additionally, a website with poor technical SEO may experience slow loading times and poor user experience, both of which can negatively impact its search engine performance. A website can improve its visibility and ranking in SERP by properly implementing technical SEO, best practice, and providing a better user experience. Let me give you an example to understand it. Think of a website as a house. You are trying to sell a house, but the house's exterior, which we refer to as a technical elements, needs to be revised. The sides are falling off or the faulty wiring. For that house is not passing the inspection of the Google bots and its sales amount is not getting high, like the website is not ranking well on search engines. To do this well, we need technical SEO. Why should you technically optimize your site? Technical SEO is the process of making your website easy for search engines to understand, crawl, and index. This can help improve your search engine rankings and increase visibility to potential users. This can lead to more organic traffic, conversions, and revenue. Additionally, a technical optimized site can improve user experience by making it faster and easier to navigate, which can lead to better search engine signals, lower bounces rates, and longer site visits duration. Optimizing your website's technical SEO can improve your search engine rankings, increase visibility, attract more organic traffic, and improve user experiences, ultimately leading to a better business outcomes. Technical SEO checklist for optimization. Let's now talk about the optimization checklist of technical SEO. Check if your website uses HTTPS. 2014, Google stated that using the HTTPS protocol positively impact a website ranking. Therefore, ensuring that your website is secure wherever possible makes sense. Securing may be accomplished by installing a SSL certificate on your website. However, most of the best website builders now integrate SSL by default. Update your page experience. Improve website rankings. Google has recently introduced new page experience signals incorporating core web vitals and other search signals such as mobile friendliness, safe browsing, and HTTPS. It is important to be aware of core web vital, which includes three elements. First, input delay or FID, largest contentful paint or LCP, and cumulative layout shift or CLS to ensure a good user experience. These ranking factors can be tracked using the Google Search Console report, highlighting potential issues with specific URLs. Search your website for crawling for. Crawling is the process of search engine visiting and analyzing the page of a website to understand and index the content, which can impact the website's ranking. Identifying and fixing crawl errors which occur when a search engine can't access or understand specific pages is important for maintaining visibility and order. Google Search Console can be used to check for crawl errors and provide suggestions for fixing them. Fix broken internal and outbound links. An adequate link structure can positively affect the user experience and search engine optimization. It can be frustrating for users when links on a website lead to incorrect or non-functioning URLs. It is important to check for certain issues such as links that redirect to another page, links that leads to error page, unlinked pages, and a deep internal linking structure. To resolve this problem, updating the target URL or removing the link entirely if it is no longer valid is recommended. If you want a free audit of your website, comment below. We will contact you soon. Remove thin or duplicate content. Duplicate content can negatively impact user experience and search engine optimization and is not favored by search engines. Experts are advised to fix any issues, prevents multiple versions of page or post from being published, disabling unnecessary session IDs, eliminating printer-friendly versions of content, and using the canonical link element to indicate the main version of the content to search engines. Speed up your site. Search engine likes sites that load quickly, and the speed at which page loads seen as an important ranking signal. Here are some ways to make your site faster: by optimizing images, using a fast DNS provider, removing any unnecessary code such as comments or white space to make the code more compact and quicker to load, enabling browser cache, by optimizing your database. It's important to regularly check your site speed, as new elements and updates can slow it down over time. By implementing the above tips, you can ensure that your website is loading fast, providing a good user experience. Optimized XML sitemap. XML sitemap is a file that helps search engine to understand the structure of a website while crawling it. It acts like a roadmap for a search engine to know where each page is located. It also contains information about each page on the website, including when it was last modified, its priority, and how frequently it is updated. Add structured data or markup schema. Structured data or markup schema is a way of coding your website to make it easier for search engines to understand your site contents. It helps search engines index your site more efficiently and provide more relevant results. Using structured data can also make your website search results stand out by adding rich snippets like star ratings, prices, or reviewer information. This can increase the click-through rate or CTR, drive more traffic to your site. Search engines tend to prefer sites with high CTRs, making the addition of structured data a beneficial practice for your website. Mobile responsiveness. In 2023, it is crucial for a website to be mobile optimized. Even if a site is mobile friendly, it may still have issues that can be hard to detect unless user complaints. These issues can be identified by using Google Search Console's mobile usability report. If Google finds that a page on the site is not optimized for mobile user, they will provide specific details on which needs to be fixed, which will help you to improve your mobile optimization. Enhancing the international experience. Websites targeting multiple countries should implement international SEO strategies to provide relevant experience for visitors. With this optimization, international visitors may be able to find the version of the websites tailored for them. These are several ways to enhance the international experience on a website in terms of technical SEO. Use HRE tags, which indicate to search engine which language a page is written in and which region it is targeting. By setting your preferred domain and targeting specific countries in Search Console, you can ensure that the correct version of your site is being shown to users in different regions. A country code, top-level domain, or subfolder strategy can help search engines understand which country or region a website is targeting, and can also help build trust with users in that region. Monitor and optimize your website for different languages by using language-specific keyword research, creating content in other languages, and targeting the right country. Mastering technical SEO takes time and effort, including research and experimentation. However, it is possible to start processing on this aspect of SEO without any significant risk. You have to know the right place to go to do it. At SLBPO, we provide technical SEO services and conduct a comprehensive audit of your website to identify and solve any other issues. Our services are transparent and are designed to help increase your visibility and grow your business. To learn more about our SEO services, please see our description. That's it for today. Until our next SEO videos, adios everyone.